Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Lenovo Smart Display with Android. And to do this, first we'll need to download and open Google Home on our Android phone, and then we can select an added device, new device. Now choose or create a new home for your Lenovo display and click on the next. It will look for all available devices and should find your Lenovo display. Here it is. So would you like to set up your Lenovo Smart Display? Yeah. Now confirm that you have the same codes visible on both of the displays, and we can say yes. Help improve Google Assistant Smart Display. Automatically share device stats and crash reports with Google to improve everyone's experience. You can agree or not. I'm gonna agree. Now we can set where this device is located. I'm gonna go for attic. Connect your display with Wi-Fi, and it seems that it does support 5G, but I'm gonna go with 2.4G network. Use a saved password, OK. So it's connected, and before using your Google Assistant, here's a few things to know before using your Google Assistant on this smart display. So you can learn a lot about Google patterns, services and use and privacy, guests and your assistant, YouTube recommendations. I'm gonna go with next. I don't want to read them, but if you want, you can obviously do it. And we've already set up recognition and personalization for this device. So let's continue. Set up voice match on the devices. Continue. And agree to voice match your Google Assistant with this display. I'm gonna agree. And here we need to set it up, so follow the instructions. We need to say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call.
Who do you want to call?
Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And the Google Assistant is set up for your Lenovo display now. And I don't want to save audio and images. We can change our default music service, and I like YouTube Music, so let's use that one. Get started with video calls. I'm gonna skip it because I don't want to do any video calls. We can add our household contacts to use this device. I'm gonna skip it. Choose a background for your display. You can change between Google Photos, Art Gallery, or a full screen clock. I'm gonna go with clock, and I prefer this one. Stay in the know, stay up to date with the latest features, services and offers from Google Assistant, plus receive survey invitations to help improve Google products in your home. No thanks. Almost finished. Here's a review of what we have set up. You can you can check all of the things that we've made and click on continue. And now it's ready and the setup is finished. You can also click on finish setup. And your Lenovo display is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.